Elon Musk has done it again. Tesla has officially revealed Optimus Gen 3, and Musk claims this humanoid robot will outperform every robot on Earth. It can walk, cook, clean, work in factories, and now, even be controlled by the human mind. Is this the beginning of a robotic revolution, or just another Elon Musk promise? Let's break it down. The official premiere of Tesla Gen 3 is expected in early 2026, and according to Elon Musk, this could become Tesla's most important product ever, possibly even bigger than cars. Musk says Optimus will not look like a robot. He claims it will look more like a person wearing a robot suit. And surprisingly, he isn't exaggerating. Compared to earlier versions, Optimus Gen 3 represents a massive leap forward. It moves 3 times faster, performs tasks twice as accurately, and most importantly, it can learn simply by watching humans. Inside Tesla's Palo Alto offices, these robots are already walking around, greeting employees, guiding visitors, and navigating spaces independently without remote control, operating around the clock. Elon Musk's long-term vision is bold. Millions of humanoid robots working across factories, homes, and cities worldwide. However, building a robot that truly replaces human labor is incredibly difficult. Walking is not the problem anymore. The real challenge is the hands. A robot that can fold clothes, wash dishes, or peel an egg needs extreme precision. Optimus Gen 3 now features hands with 25 degrees of freedom, pressure, and touch sensors in every finger, and the ability to handle both fragile and heavy objects with adaptive force. This puts it dangerously close to the complexity of the human hand. Ironically, these advanced hands are also one of the biggest reasons Optimus is not yet in mass production. During long work cycles, Tesla discovered overheating and durability issues, forcing engineers to redesign the manipulators and temporarily slowed down production. This highlights the gap between impressive demonstrations and real-world reliability. Then comes the most controversial and futuristic feature of all, mind control. Elon Musk plans to connect Optimus to Neuralink, allowing humans to control the robot using brain signals alone. Instead of giving step-by-step commands, users would simply think of an action, like picking up a cup or moving a box, and the robot's AI would translate that thought into a full action plan. Musk has also spoken about bidirectional feedback, meaning users could one day see through the robot's eyes, feel pressure, temperature, and vibrations, and control Optimus like a real-life avatar. It sounds like science fiction, but Neuralink's clinical trials have already proven that brain-to-machine communication is technically possible. What truly sets Optimus Gen 3 apart is how it learns. Instead of relying on rigid programming, the robot uses end-to-end neural networks similar to Tesla's self-driving system. It learns by watching videos of humans performing tasks, both from first-person and third-person perspectives. Engineers also train the robot in simulated environments, allowing it to master dangerous or rare scenarios safely before applying those skills in the real world. This approach explains how Optimus learned complex movements like dancing and advanced balance control without remote operation or artificial speed adjustments. The robot follows a simple but powerful loop: see, understand, and act, all within a single unified system. Despite the hype, Tesla is not alone in this race. Companies like Figure AI already have humanoid robots working in BMW factories, while 1X Technologies has opened pre-orders for its home robot. Unlike Tesla, some competitors are already deploying robots with real customers, which has led critics to label Optimus as an impressive but unfinished demo. So why do many still believe Elon Musk will win? Because Tesla possesses advantages few companies can match. The company already operates massive gigafactories designed for large-scale manufacturing, controls much of its supply chain through vertical integration, and has global logistics, AI infrastructure, and data pipelines built over years of producing millions of vehicles. Most importantly, Tesla has experience turning bold ideas into mass-market products. Musk has repeatedly stated that robots only make sense if they are produced by the millions. Small batches won't change the world. Mass production is the only path to affordability, and Tesla's entire strategy is built around scaling faster than anyone else. The biggest debate now revolves around price. Elon Musk claims Optimus could cost between $20,000 and $30,000. Critics argue the real price could be much higher, possibly exceeding $50,000 or even more. Musk counters that as production scales, costs could eventually drop to around $10,000 per unit. An idea that sounds unrealistic until you remember how expensive electric vehicles once were. Optimus Gen 3 is not just a robot. It is a key piece of Elon Musk's larger ecosystem. A future where your electric car, home energy system, smart house, and humanoid assistant all work together through a single platform. A robot that cleans your house, prepares meals, manages energy usage, and assists in daily life. Whether Optimus becomes a world-changing invention or remains an ambitious prototype depends on more than vision. Tesla must solve hardware durability, refine energy efficiency, and move beyond controlled demonstrations to real-world deployments. Competitors are moving fast, and the humanoid robotics market is becoming increasingly crowded. Still, underestimating Elon Musk has rarely ended well. He has already transformed electric cars from a niche product into a global industry. Now he's attempting the same with humanoid robots. So the real question is not whether Optimus Gen 3 is impressive. It clearly is. The question is whether Tesla can turn this vision into reality before others do.